Ode Mama Rachel Ruto ne obago Ramogi min ute governors mopogore opogore kar jot ma jatend piny kawuono. Ruto laro ni obiro chiwo bilion 8 mar chiwo chiemo ma konyo jopuonjre ma dhi sikul e counties mopogore opogore e chenro mar sikul kata mar chiwo chiemo e skunde. Ojiwo joma mine mondo bede tiyo gi joodgi e tiyo ne jopiny. Ojiwo mondo gita chenro mar pidho yiende kaka yo mar bero weche alwora e piny ka osingo chiwo kodhi mag yiende. Min od jatend piny ojiwo joma mine go mondo ti matek e konyo jopiny. Bende ojiwo gi mondo giriwre timo chenro mar pidho yiende kanyakla.
Do we have any areas of interest that we can come together and do something about?
The government of Kenya has always tried to work with partners to support a school feeding program. This year, I want to scale that up from 2 billion shillings to 8 billion shillings every year, because I want it to be possible for every child going to school to at least have one meal. Greening Kenya is a collective effort. It's not so much about being a president's project. It is really a Kenyan project. I want to promise you that we will work together. We will mobilize seedlings. We will mobilize efforts. And I'm really looking forward to your partnership, and including that of your spouses in this effort.
It would be nice if we partner with you, especially when it comes to a green economy or climate change or greening the country, as our president has told us. And so when I spoke to the board when they came, I said that it would be nice for us to be able to do climate action together so that you can do whatever else that you want to do. You don't have to do women economic empowerment if that is not your passion. But I feel that in this issue of climate action, because it is something that is affecting all of us, we can actually plant trees or grow trees, as we say.